It's so delicious. You gotta give it a try. I like fish well, but this one is another level. 10 over 10. Mine was nothing. Wow.
It's different. Like very, very different.
Rate it in a scale of 1 to 10.
10/10 minus nothing.
Hello guys, welcome to Fire and Fish by Buchi. This is a full tutorial of how to make a delicious barbecue. I'm giving this tutorial just on a platter of gold. Please, if you're watching this video, do it to support us because I'm giving you something golden just in a platter of gold. If you watch it, do it to learn, comment, share, subscribe, show other people.
Let's dive into the video straight.
We'll start by displaying our fresh ingredients, our pepper, our tomatoes, then our onion, then our ginger, here we go, then the mixture of nutmeg and curry, then oil, then fish seasoning, and just pouring it on the fridge and put it in the fridge. Then my green pepper, my garlic. Now take a fresh fish, kill it by hitting something on the head and make some incision on the body. This helps the seasoning to enter deeply. Then wash it thoroughly with salt to remove the slimy and unwanted taste. I have to speed up the video to avoid it being too long. So you know that a clean catfish equals a great taste. So clean it, wash it thoroughly with salt to remove the slime and the wanted taste. Now I have to blend my pepper, tomato, onion, green pepper and garlic until smooth with my silver crest blender. It blends so well. Mix everything together and add a bit of curry and some seasoning to it. Boil it slightly so that the flavor can mix well. Then rub oil on the body. The essence of rubbing oil on the body is to avoid it sticking together with the foil. Then you got to add your fish spice and pour gently the mixture of curry and nutmeg then across the surface. After that, pour the boiled pepper mixture over the fish carefully to soak in. You can choose to add onions on the top just to add extra flavor. Then though is not compulsory, then wrap it tightly with foil to lock in the flavor. You know as in the V now. Place your raw fish on the fire, turn it every 10 minutes to prevent it from burning. Grill it for 45 minutes or 40 minutes depending on the heat, depending on the fire. When it starts drying up, pierce it gently so heat can pierce through and finish it off well, like you know as in the V. So it will be so dried, so crispy, tasty. Just bring out the flavor in it. So that is, as you can see, I'm perforating it. I know some of you might have been salivating, but don't worry, calm down. We are here to unwrap it. And if you're watching it on an empty stomach, it is at your own risk. Now let's prepare the sauce that goes on top. This is my tomato and a little bit of pepper added to it, blended smoothly. So as you can see, I'm adding onion to it, turning it. I've added it previously, adding some spices and fish seasoning a little bit this time, not too much, and you're good to go, man. While your sauce is cooking, cut your potato chips. You can use Irish potato, but for me currently I'm using sweet potato. Cut your potato into chips, then the salad. Cut the cabbage into tiny. For me, I like my salad when it's too tiny, like very very tiny. Yeah. So shred the carrot on top just to add color and flavor to it. And as you can see, I've fried my chips. Now open the foil to reveal the perfectly grilled fish. Place the chips and salad by the side, decorate with onions, tomato and cucumber. This is not just a dish, it is a complete experience, man. Come on, as you can see it, I'm testing it. Oh gosh, you need to have a taste of it. But don't watch this video on an empty stomach. Time to test. The student tested it and they couldn't stop talking. They argued over the last bite. Like when I asked them to rate it 10 by 10, they even rated it 100 to show you how good it was. Like, mad man.
It's different. Like very, very different.
Rate it in a scale of 1 to 10.
10/10 minus nothing.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
10/10. 10 minus 10.
Let's ask some other people. Rate it in a scale of 1 to 10.
11 over 10. What did you
I like fish well, but this one is another level. 10 over 10. Mine was nothing.
Wow, guys, you need to come and have a taste of barbecue. We are settled in a spicy place of Jerry Marriott Hotel. And even if you are anywhere in Nsukka, you can make a pre-order and bring it to your doorstep. So thank you very much for watching. I so much appreciate it.
Thank you so much for watching this amazing barbecue recipe and accepting food tutorial. Subscribe to Fire and Film by Buchi. Keep pushing your passion. Even if you decide to take time, make sure the hustle has flavor, just like this barbecue. See you in the next video.